Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about True about schizophrenia. In True about schizophrenia is thought broadcasting. Yes, thought broadcasting can be seen in schizophrenia, third person hallucinations, violent behavior. So all these can be seen in schizophrenia. Elated mood is seen in mania, whereas good self-care is not actually seen in schizophrenia. So, in schizophrenia, you see thought broadcasting, third person hallucinations, and violent behavior. Thank you, and thank you for watching.